Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to leave a clan in Clash Royale. To leave a clan in Clash Royale, follow these steps. Launch open the Clash Royale application on your mobile device first, and once you're inside this home section, tap on the shield icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up your clan tab where you'll see your current clan. Tap on your clan's name at the top of the screen to access more details. Now, look for the Leave button in red and tap on it in order to leave the particular clan. Click on OK in the pop-up to confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to leave a clan. You will now be removed from the clan and you will no longer be a part of it. After leaving a clan, you can join other clans or create your own. That's how you easily leave a clan in Clash Royale in just a simple few steps. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Clash Royale tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.